My name is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you how to add colors to a table in Google Docs. Let's get started. So there's two ways to do this. One way is just to highlight the cells that you want to change the color in. And then in the toolbar, you'll see an icon that looks like a paint can tipping over, background color. So just select that and then choose the color that you want to have. So I'm going to make that blue. And note that the text is still too dark. So what I might do is change the text to white. And to do that, just highlight the cells again. And then there's an icon with an A with an underline under it. That's text color. Select that. And then I'm going to choose this gray color. Okay, that looks a lot better. The other way to change the color for one cell or many cells is to highlight the cells you want to change the color for. Then go to the table options icon in the toolbar. Click that. The last option is color. And then it says cell background color, and right now nothing is selected. So I'm going to change that to, let's say, this light red color. And there you go. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and I'll see you next time.